नमस्कार. हिडोनच्या या आयच्या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीत तुमका येवकार. आज आमचे बरोबर असा DGP किशन कुमार 7 महिने कंप्लीट जातात तांकां गोंयांत येवन चार्ज घेतगीर, पण आजपर्यंत तांणी एकूय असो विस्तृत इंटरव्यू दिलो नाशिल्लो. हो तांचो पयलो इंटरव्यू त्या अर्थान जंय ते स्पष्टपणान मिडिया मुखार आयल्यात 1-to-1 इंटरव्यू खातीर. सर, स्वागत है आपका.
नमस्कार, धन्यवाद.
सर, सबसे पहले ये बात बताइए कि ऐसी क्या तब्दीली आ गई है फोर्स में कि अचानक सारे चोर पकड़े जाने लगे हैं. आप देखिए पिछले हफ्ते में कहीं पे भी जाओ, कोई भी चोरी हो जाए 24 या 48 घंटे के अंदर पुलिस उसका पता लगा लेती है.
ऐसा नहीं है कि चोर अचानक पकड़े जाने लगे हैं. इट इज़ अ रिजल्ट ऑफ आवर वेल डिजाइन स्ट्रेटजी. व्हेन आई जॉइंड लास्ट ईयर इन December, I had set 4 goals for myself and for my force, and whatever results now we are having, these are the results of actually all these 4 goals and hard work put in by our men and officers.
पहले क्यों नहीं होता था और अब क्यों हो रहा है?
No, I won't agree with you that पहले क्यों नहीं होता था अब क्यों हो रहा है. Whatever targets we have set, these are age-old targets. These are basic policing. We have been doing in the past also, now also. So I won't agree that why it was not earlier. Yes.
तो नहीं होता था पहले. फैक्ट है कि नहीं होता था पहले. चोर नहीं मिलते थे.
No. I have got the figures with me. Last year also, in the previous 10 years also of my predecessors, Goa police had been doing very well. Yes, there are up and down. There can be fluctuations in the result. But one thing is there, that there is a well orchestrated strategy on which we are working and we are getting results.
आपने जब चार्ज लिया गोवा में, what were the deficiencies that you found out and noticed in Goa police?
Over a period of time, the duties and the responsibilities of the police have increased. We are performing a lot of duties which are not otherwise sanctioned. See, ours is a job where we have to address certain issues which are sudden, which are not on our agenda. But we can't say that we don't have manpower. We have to meet the challenges. We have to address them. We have to meet the challenges.
Yeah.
So this issue of deficiency remains there, though all out efforts are made always, even now, to meet the deficiency. Recently, government has sanctioned more than 1,000 posts, which we are going to recruit. We are going to fill up the vacancies in the 2nd India Reserve Battalion. But still, there are a lot of new assignments. For example, security issue. For example, coastal security. For example, like any other place in the country and abroad, Goa is also facing for quite some time certain threats. We have to meet those challenges. And
so how strong and intense are these terror threats?
See, there is no denying of the fact that there is a threat, and there is a continuous threat throughout the country and different parts of the world. So there is nothing that it is specific to Goa. Let me put the things in right perspective. You all know.
But Goa का नाम बार-बार आता है.
Obviously, it is a tourist destination. Goa is a very important place on Indian map. Though geographically small, but otherwise it's very important. Millions of tourists visit this place, and obviously because of its importance.
So are we prepared? Are we prepared for any such eventuality? हर गोवन के दिमाग में ये सवाल है.
Certainly, we are better prepared than earlier. For example, our coastal security police. We have 3 coastal security police stations in operation with manpower, with boats. We are going to purchase inflatable rigid boats very soon. Beside that, we are in the process of acquiring few new boats from Government of India. Beside that, recently, Government of Goa has agreed in principle, approved the establishment of another 4 coastal police stations. Thirekhol is there, Shapura is there, Panjim is there. So another 4 these new police stations are going to be there. So yes, we are in the process. We have accomplished certain things. Government has sanctioned anti-terrorist squad staff also. Government has sanctioned strengthening of the special branch. So we are addressing, government is addressing all the
ATS
issues.
बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है?
Yes.
3 साल हो गए।
Yes,
फाइल
yes.
यहाँ से इस ऑफिस से फाइल होम मिनिस्ट्री को जाके 3 साल हो गए।
No.
अभी
Now-
तक एक बंदा नहीं दिख रहा है।
It is on a definite footing now. It is on a definite footing. ATS is in the process of getting shape. Yeah, recruitment takes time. I tell you, a lot of manpower has been sanctioned.
3 years is a lot of time.
3 years is a lot of time.
And when you're facing a threat, 3 years is huge.
I had to. No, but let me tell you one thing. It doesn't mean that during the 3 years nothing has been done. Coastal security has come into existence. If you remember, during my last tenure as IG, we intensified a lot of vigil on the beaches. Another thing which we have moved recently, just to address this particular issue only, vigil on the beaches. We have moved a proposal to the government regarding CCTVs on the beaches and especially in the shacks, addressing not only the threat from terror outfits, but also to address certain other crime situations like drug trafficking. So, and I'm very happy to inform you that in principle it has been agreed upon that there should be CCTV cameras on the beaches, especially on the shacks, so that we can keep a vigil on the beaches.
Whenever we talk about terror, intelligence becomes a major part of it. क्योंकि वहीं पे डेटरेंट इफेक्ट आता है। और मुझे याद है जब आप पिछली बार यहाँ पे थे आईजी करके, आपने बीट सिस्टम शुरू की थी जहाँ पे हर एक कांस्टेबल को भी एक एरिया दी थी जहाँ पे वो अपना इंटेलिजेंस डेवलप कर सकता है, लोगों के साथ अच्छे संबंध डेवलप कर सकता है, सौहार्द के संबंध डेवलप कर सकता है, जहाँ से उसको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, सोसाइटी में पीस रहेगी, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर रहेगी। आप चले गए, सिस्टम कोलैप्स हो गई, आप आके 7 महीने हो चुके हैं, अभी तक हम वो सिस्टम नहीं देख रहे हैं।
देखिए, मैं आपको एक चीज बताऊं, किसी के आने या जाने से सिस्टम बनते बिगड़ते नहीं है। गोवा पुलिस
ये तो बिगड़ी ना सर आपके जाने के
गोवा
बाद।
पुलिस एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है जो अपनी जगह है, जो इवॉल्व कर रहा है। लेकिन एक चीज मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए और गोवा की जनता की जानकारी के लिए बताना चाहूँगा। थोड़ी देर पहले आपने कहा कि अचानक पुलिस ने चोरों को पकड़ना शुरू कर दिया, और मैंने कहा कि ये अचानक नहीं है, इट इज़ नॉट ए सडन थिंग। रिगार्डिंग इंटेलिजेंस, आई वांट टू एम्फसाइज, वी हैड वेरी ओल्ड इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ लोकल इंटेलिजेंस ब्रांच इन एवरी पुलिस स्टेशन।
यस।
As I told you, we have 4 targets. One of the target is to develop our grassroots level intelligence network. And whatever today we are having, during last 4 months, Goa police has more than 32 cases against drug peddlers, where we have caught quite a large number of drug peddlers, including foreign nationals. We have seized quite a sizable quantity of drugs. We have caught many gangs. We have solved many cases. And to be precise, to great extent, the credit goes to the local intelligence network. I have personally briefed all the local intelligence branch personnel in every police station. I have visited all the police stations personally. I have interviewed the boys who want to work in local intelligence branch in a police station, and they have started yielding results. So, as you told that suddenly things have started, it is not sudden. What we have done, we have revived those age-old traditions.
बीट सिस्टम शुरू होगी या नहीं होगी?
Beat system is very much there. As I told you, LIB, beat system, all these basic systems have started operating, have started functioning, and I can tell you with confidence that yes, local intelligence branch and beat system are functioning, and that's why we have regular flow of information. For example, this recent case, yesterday only, day before yesterday, in which a gang of thieves from Delhi were caught. Let me tell you that there was a series of burglaries in Santa Cruz, and adjoining neighboring area in Panaji and in Margao. And local police swung into action. Local intelligence branch and beat staff was activated by our SDPO, Panjim, and these boys were deployed and they collected the information that one particular vehicle has been spotted moving in suspicious condition in Santa Cruz area. And that's how they zeroed down on that vehicle, and that's how they were able to catch this person. Similarly, another case, unfortunately, we failed in that. In Margao, our boys, they chased motorcycle-borne robbers. That was also a work of local intelligence branch. So, beat system and LIB staff, see, beat system and LIB, these are integrated things. They are
completely.
Two sides of
जब
the
आए थे
same
तब आपने
coin.
इंटीग्रेटेड पुलिसिंग की बात भी की थी.
I tell you, the basic unit in policing is police station. And all of us, either it is PCR, or it is a special branch, or it is crime branch, or it is wireless, police control room, anti-narcotic cell, everybody is working only for police station. Police station is the face of state police. If everything is okay at police station, police is okay. Because police station is the main actor. And all other supporting wings are in the background. But they are very crucial. If we pool in all the resources and then redeploy them in such a fashion that the deficiency doesn't affect your functioning, that is what I call integrated policing.
ये जो अलग अलग यूनिट्स है, ये अलग अलग यूनिट्स बन के काम नहीं करेंगे, बट एक फोर्स बन के काम करेंगे.
एक फोर्स बन के काम करेंगे.
एक जगह पे 3 लोग नहीं पहुंचेंगे, एक जगह पे एक ही बंदा पहुंचेगा.
No, I'll tell you. For example, there is integrated patrolling system in force at present. It is in force for last 4 months. What happens? Police station says that I can deploy only 2 nakabandi point. I tell, okay, you have 2 nakabandi point, fine. There is coastal security, let them have 1 nakabandi point. There is ANC, let them have 1 nakabandi point.
So pressure divide होके चला जाता है.
There is PCR, let PCR also check in the night. So now instead of only police station, all other units are also 5 points बन गए. So we are pulling in our resources and everybody is working in coordination. That is integration.